In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a basic recording using Audacity. First, let's get started by opening up Audacity. Once you have Audacity open on your screen, direct your attention to the top toolbar. There, you will find a variety of settings and drop-down menus. Specifically, let's locate the microphone drop-down, situated right next to the microphone icon. This is where you can adjust your input source, so make sure it's set to your preferred microphone if you've got one attached. Now, we're going to move on to creating a new recording. To do this, navigate to File in the menu at the top of your screen and select New. This sets up a fresh project ready for you to start capturing audio magic. Next, you'll want to click on the big red circle, the Record button. This will kick off your new recording session, allowing you to capture your voice or any sound you'd like to record. Once you're done recording, it's time to stop and review what you've captured. Hit the Stop button, which looks like a black square, to end the recording. With your recording safely halted, it's time to listen back. Click the Play button, represented by a green triangle, to listen to your recording. Do you hear what you intended to capture? Make a note of any sections you might want to tidy up. To refine your recording, grab the Selection tool from the top toolbar. It's the icon resembling a capital I. With this tool, carefully highlight any sections of silence at the beginning or end of your recording that you wish to trim away. This step is crucial for making your audio sound crisp and professional. Once you've selected these portions, simply press the Delete key to remove them. It's a bit like editing a text document, but with sound. Having crafted your perfect audio snippet, it's essential to save your hard work. Go to File again and hover over Save Project. Then click on Save Project As. You'll need to give your project a name. How about something catchy, like Audacity Genius Strategy? Don't worry, you can always change the name later if inspiration strikes you differently. Lastly, you'll want to export your project as an audio file that you can share or use in other applications. Return to File in the menu, this time looking for an option that allows you to export your work. It's usually marked something like Export as Audio, and it's here you'll decide the format for your audio file. Congratulations, you've just recorded and edited your first project in Audacity. This knowledge opens up new horizons for any audio endeavors you might imagine. Keep experimenting and have fun with it.